Look at her go.
You trying to catch that pigeon?
She trying to catch the pigeon, try to cook it.
It's like casual.
She's like a tiger after
a
deer.
Getting away, she's getting impatient.
Look at her go.
She's walking around in circles.
Oh, no, it's taken off.
What's going on his tail?
Ah! It's flying near me.
No, it's off.
Look at her foot. She's still going. And that's after a new one.
It's not even like a close. What time do the buses stop? Oh, I know you're getting picked up from the station.
Yeah. Catch anything?
Yeah.
Really?
Hot up.
You can't even sit in your seat properly. You sicken me to my very core.
It grew to brew.
Jade. Don't put that in your vagina!
She's not taking.
That's it. I'm not taking it back. You can have it, Jake.
Oh, quick, touch it back.
Look at him go. Hey, you bent over too. I saw your ass. Calm down, Rebel.